Forget the basic donut tutorial. Today we're leveling up the classic Blender donut using professional fluid simulations and scatter tools. Let's dive in. We start with a simple torus. In edit mode, use Alt+S, shrink/flatten, to give it that organic, uneven, doughy look. Perfection is the enemy of realism here, so don't be afraid to make it a bit chunky. Now, for the secret sauce, the glaze. Instead of the manual modeling, we're using fluid simulation. Set the top torus as the fluid source and let it drip naturally over the base. Once you're happy with the drips, convert that simulation to a mesh. This gives us those perfect gravity-defying drips you just can't get manually. Next, toppings. Model a few simple sprinkle shapes. Instead of placing them one by one, we're using the Scatter Objects add-on. Just select your sprinkles, draw over the glaze, and watch Blender populate the donut for you. It's a massive time saver for complex details. And there it is, a professional donut made with advanced techniques. If you want more pro workflow tips for Blender, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what we should model next. Thanks for watching Blend Tweaks.